In this video, I'll show you how to reset on your 2020 to 2025 Toyota Highlander the schedule maintenance message you get in your dash. I'll show you step by step what you need to do. So let's get started. So check your instrument dash cluster. If you have the model with a smaller screen, I'll show you at the end of the video what to do. But on this model over here, you need to go down with the down arrow on your steering wheel until you select the cogwheel. Then you need to use the left and right arrows on your steering wheel until you select the icon, which is a car with a small cogwheel above. To select it, you absolutely need to hold the OK button. You cannot simply click it. You need to hold the OK button once you have this setting highlighted to enter the menu. Use the down arrow on your steering wheel to select schedule maintenance. Should be the last option in this menu. So go all the way down. And once you're on it, click OK. Then you have to select yes. Press OK once again. And it will take just 2 or 3 seconds and you'll get the reset complete message and you're done. If you have the older style dash cluster with a smaller screen, it's almost the same thing, it's just looking differently. So you have to select the cogwheel and the top icons, then select vehicle settings. You need to keep the OK button pressed to select this option, then schedule maintenance and then yes. If this worked, please take a moment, subscribe, like, and also type a comment down below. See you in the next video.